It has not stopped snowing.
The snow is going down my boots, and it's cold.
Hey guys, it's me again. Yes, I do know that my Christmas tree is up, and yes, I know that it is February. Please give me a break. I really need it right now. I hope you all are doing reasonably well during this time of, you know, panic, and it has been crazy snowy here, y'all. I mean, it has been snowing nonstop for the past like 48 hours, and it doesn't intend on stopping. Oh my god, snowplow man just went by. And it doesn't intend on stopping for at least another day. In fact, I even will show you exactly how crazy snowy it's been. Just to show you guys how crazy the snow is, I'm gonna do something considered simple, like taking out the mail. I literally own one pair of gloves and I can't even find them. Oh god, here it goes. All right.
Whoa! The snow is going down my boots, and it's cold. Oh my god. Okay.
Well, I did all that truffling for 2 envelopes from my high school. No bills or anything urgent. So, yeah, that was fun. What do you think, Rocky? No, he doesn't care because he doesn't have to get out in the snow. I know that in my past videos I said that I was going to upload every other week or something, but the truth is I haven't really been posting because all this uncertainty going on in the pandemic has driven me into a pretty bad depression. Not gonna lie about that. I had some like dark thoughts and I just wasn't seeing the point of anything anymore. The main reason I wanted to make these videos in the first place is because I thought it was a great way to distract me from you know, the craziness going on in the world. But eventually I realized that I would have nothing to film because I wasn't able to do anything anymore. You know, I couldn't film like going I don't know, bowling with friends or doing road trips or anything like that, you know, got canceled. So I actually am working on turning my outlook to be more positive, and I am in therapy, like I'm getting help and I am getting better. I really am, like mentally, like I'm learning how to deal with everything in a more positive way. All I know is I am planning on making more videos, but I'm definitely not gonna be uploading as frequently as I'd like to. And hey, maybe you guys can send me some suggestions. Tell me what you'd like to see. Maybe I'll do a morning routine video or a nighttime routine video or a story time if people still do that. So anyways, thanks for listening to my update. I hope you all are doing well. If you want to see more videos, feel free to subscribe.